Hey everybody, welcome back to the App Show. John's on vacation this week, so it's just me, Debbie. So this week's episode is going to be focused on something that we noticed in the comments discussion a couple weeks ago. But before that, the news. Gmail has just launched to 13 new languages, which brings our total to 71. We're really excited about this change because we've worked with linguists to understand the tone and style of each language, and you'll see those reflected. If you want to try it out, go to Gmail and Settings, and you'll see the new languages there. The second piece of news this week is if you're an admin and you're trying to delete a user, you'll be prompted to optionally transfer all of those files to another user before you delete them. This should hopefully make your life a little easier. So a couple weeks ago, we noticed that Brian and Saad had a great conversation in the community about how to transfer your files or data from one Drive account to another. So we have a few more ways that you can do this. One of them is transferring ownership of your documents or your folders. So say you have a folder with a bunch of files inside and you want to transfer ownership to somebody else. You're going to select that folder, go to the Share button in the upper right-hand corner, which looks like a small person with a plus sign next to the head, and then you're going to type in the name or address of the person that you want to share it with, and then you're going to send it to them. Go to the name of the person that you want to transfer ownership to and change them from can edit to is owner. And then you'll have to confirm that submission. So great, you've transferred ownership of that folder away to somebody else, but all of the files still belong to you. So open the folder, Command or Control A, and select all the files in there and repeat the transfer ownership process to transfer all of those at once. So when you're in your consumer account, you can't transfer ownership of images or PDFs. And if you're in one Google Apps for Business domain, you can't transfer to another Google Apps for Business domain. In some of these cases, you can use Google Takeout. What is Google Takeout? It's a way that you can create a custom, downloadable archive of your data from our Google products. How do you find it? If you go to a tab or a browser or an app where you're signed in, click on your icon in the upper right-hand corner. It's usually a picture that you've chosen. Click on that and then go to Account. Once you're in Account, you can click on the Data Tools tab, and then click on Select Data to download. There's going to be a blue button there that says Create an Archive. Go ahead and select that. You'll be taken to a screen where you see a list of all of our products, and you'll see that everything is automatically selected. If you only want one thing like Drive, uncheck that Select All. Check each product you want to make an archive from. In this case, just click Drive, and then you can leave it as all of your Drive folders, or you can twirl it down and see more options for selecting just a few folders. And then go ahead and click Create Archive. So now you see all of your files and folders downloading into a zip file. So once that's done, you can open up that zip file and you see all of your Drive stuff there. Go ahead and drag all of the folders that you want into your new Drive account. If you're on a business domain, you might not see all of the products listed in Google Takeout. Your administrator might have turned a couple of them off. Hopefully this has still been helpful for you, and you can let us know any other questions you have about data migration in the comments down below. And if you have any advice, let us know that as well. We'd love to hear it. Thank you for tuning in. We'll see you next week, and don't forget to subscribe.
In previous news segments, we talked about how you can edit Office documents within Drive. Today, we're going to take a deeper dive into that and actually talk about how you can open, edit, and send back Office documents without ever having to open Office.